Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pathways to Success by Anshu Shetty. Well, how important is self control in your day to day life? Whether your goal is to earn a college degree, exercise regularly, giving up bad habits, or saving money, it is always easy to believe that achieving a goal is simply a matter of control in your behavior. Good intentions are not enough. We people are notoriously poor at following through with our plans. We tend to be ambivalent about making a change. We want to lose weight, but we love eating food. Let's see strategically how you can improvise on your self control.
Number 1. A can do attitude. Viewing ourselves as free and responsible for our action is the foundation for self discipline. Evidence shows that people function better and are more able to deal with stress when they feel that they are in control. Believe that things are beyond your control and they probably will be. Number 2. Goal setting. One has to have a goal. The more specific the goal, the better able people are to reach it. A highly abstract goal may not be actionable. For example, instead of pursuing the goal of being healthy, a person may adopt the goal of walking at least 30 minutes every day, which is more concrete and easier to monitor. Number 3. Plan ahead. Consider possible situations that might break your resolve. If you are faced with temptation, what action will you take to avoid giving in? For example, if you know you have a hard time controlling those late afternoon snacks attack, eat a well balanced lunch packed with plenty of fiber, protein, and whole grains that will keep you full longer. Number 4. Remind yourself of consequences. Just like self control can help you achieve your goals and improve your physical and mental health, a lack of self control can adversely affect your self esteem, education, career, finances, relationship, and overall health and well being. Reminding yourself of these consequences can help you stay motivated as you work to control your self control. Number 5. The why and how mindsets. Why questions encourages long-term thinking or desirability of pursuing an action. In contrast, how questions bring the mind down to the present and consider the goals attainability and feasibility. As the saying goes, the devil is in the details. When we decide on a diet, we do so because of its attractive outcomes to us. However, there are also low level details associated with this task, such as going to gym, avoiding our favorite snacks, and so on. The why questions can benefit people to keep maintaining a new habit, such as daily exercise or diet. He who has a why to live can bear almost anyhow. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.